It's on.
Okay. All right.
Come on.
Wait, hold on. I gotta fill my box.
What is
first.
that box?
It's my new palette.
Oh.
All
Well,
right, hold on. Let's see. I gotta do this very slowly. Enjoy every second of it.
okay. It's like foreplay.
Yes, like foreplay. Uh-huh. You know what happened with this?
No.
The storm. It was supposed to be here yesterday,
Yeah.
and because it's the snowstorm,
What snowstorm?
it delayed it another day.
We didn't have any snowstorm.
Let me see. What is it? Oh my God! Look at this! Look at this!
Oh, Morphe brushes, huh?
Okay, let's see. Let's see what is in here. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that.
There's Morph, huh?
Oh, this is beautiful.
This one just a box.
Wait.
Is there another one?
Yes. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay, now. Look at this. This is the 35O palette.
The 35O.
Yes.
What's the O for?
Orgasm.
Ah,
Look at those colors.
nice.
Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, and they're so pigmented. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my God.
Nice.
Oh my, I am in love.
You gonna use them tonight? You gonna put them on tomorrow?
I'm gonna try them tomorrow, of
You
course.
gonna try them now?
I am so happy. Oh my